let's write some thing here. So after using these things, this title, let's move into body and write something. Let's write hello world, hello world, and save it. Go to your folder and double click it so you can see hello world, or you can use the same one which I have opened earlier and refresh it. You can see hello world has displayed. So the position from this is the body, and the upmost positions are in head. Head means the upper part of the web page and body means the lower part of the web page. So there are some tags we used to make the structure as we wish. So instead of writing something like this, we'll move into tags one by one. So you can see it suggests me something like this one. So let's type it and see what will it give. Hello world, and save. I'll go with go live, and you can see hello world. It has bold and it has written somewhat bigger than the previous body. If I write the same hello world, I'll use capital here, and you can see it is displayed smaller, and this one has displayed larger. It is large in size and also it is bold. So this is something we used. This it comes because of this h1 tag. So I think you have got some idea about h1 tag, and there are some tags called h2, and let's see, this is some like heading 2, and also I'll edit this one as heading 1, and there's a tag as h3. I'll type heading 3, and there's a tag as h4, and also there are tags as h5, and also there are tags as h6. So these things are the tags we used to write our headings. That means the size of the heading 1 is bigger than the size of heading 2. Let's see the result. Now web page, and let's use heading 4, and this is heading 5, and this is heading 6. So I have typed these heading parts because to identify what tag I have used. Let's go, and you can see heading 1 is bigger than heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. You can see all the headings are bold, but the size of the heading is getting smaller and smaller. So I'll edit this one also, hello world, as we'll write the content of this one. This is a text in body without any tag, and let's save it. You can see this is a text in body without any tag, and this one is included in a h1 tag, heading 1 tag. This is included in h2 tag, h3 tag, h4, and goes on. So I think you have understood these basic concepts using HTML. So now let's move into more simple tags. So after using heading, we can use a tag called p. The p tag is used to write a paragraph. I'll write as this is a paragraph and save it, and let's see, this is a paragraph. You can see the clear difference between heading and paragraphs. You can see this paragraph part is not bold as these headings. The all headings are bold, but paragraph part is not bold. So we'll move one by one